Tech Engineer. In this video, we are going to discuss about estimate the electrical cable depend on several factors including current, load, and then voltage. A third one, length of the cable and how many run, right? And fourth one is voltage drop. So here we will discuss in step by step process. First we need to know identify load requirements. So the first point, determine the power rating. Determine the power rating in kilowatt or watts. Number 2, find the operating voltage. Operating voltage, it's called V. For example, single phase 230 volt, three phase 415 volt. So now we are going to calculate current rating. So we have a two formula. So now we are going to see single phase. So what is the formula? I equal to P by V into power factor, right? So in case we are going to find three phase current. So what is the formula? I equal to P by root 3 into V into power factors. Root 3 means three phase, right? So if you already know the current rating for the equipment, use it directly. Otherwise, you put value here, you will find it the amps. So number 2, we are going to find, consider cable length and voltage drop. Cable length and voltage drop. So basically voltage drop should be within permissible limit is, for example, 2.5 percentage of power circuit. The 5 percentage for transmission circuit, right? So what is the formula for the voltage drop? Vd equal to 2 into I into L into R divided by 1000. So where Vd means voltage drop, it's called V. I equal to current, right? And L equal to length of the cable, and R equal to resistance of the conductor. It's denoted by ohm by km, right? So third one, we are going to calculate suitable cable size. So we need to refer standard current carrying capacity table in different conductor material. So for the example, now we have 1.5 square mm cable for the single phase 18 amps capable and 3 phase 15 amps, right? In case we have chosen 2.5 square mm, it's come from 25 amps for the single phase and 18 amps for 3 phase. This is a standard cable tape, right? So what are the factors you need to follow? The first one, what is the ambient temperature, right? Number two, grouping of cable, and number three, installation method for conduit or tracking, right? So we need to follow these three steps. So now we are going to discuss about the example calculations. So we have single phase motor 5 kilowatt and 230 volt and power factor 0.8. This is the example, right? So now we are going to calculate which cable is suitable for this single phase motor. So now we already discussed the formula, right? I equal to, this is the single phase, and P divided by V by power factors, right? So we don't know what is I. Now we know that value 5 kilowatt. So now the power, it's always denoted as watts. So now we are going to convert kilowatt into watts. 5 into 1000 and V equal to 230 volt and power factor 0.8. So now 5000 230 into 0.8, the final I equal to 27.17 amps. So we already discussed 2.5 square mm is capable for the 25 amps, but we need 27 amps. So that's why we are going to select 4 square mm cable is capable for 30 amps. Now our requirement 27.17. So we can choose 4 square mm cable. So this is very simple formula. You can find it. What is the perfect cable? We can choose our electrical load. So thanks for watching Tech Engineer. We will discuss 3-phase load in the another video. Thank you.